Shedding light on, put into the shade. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that might tickle your English learning fancy: put into the shade. This expression, rich in imagery and meaning, is a wonderful example of how English uses visual concepts to convey abstract ideas. So, let's explore together and uncover the essence of this intriguing phrase. Ready to illuminate your vocabulary? Let's get started. First things first, what does "put into the shade" actually mean? At its core, this phrase is used to describe a situation where someone or something is made to seem less important, impressive, or successful in comparison to someone or something else. It's like standing in the bright sunlight and then suddenly being cast into the shadow. The contrast makes the sunlight seem even brighter and the shadow darker. In the world of English expressions, when something is put into the shade, it is overshadowed or diminished in value or importance by comparison. Now, where does this phrase come from? While the exact origins of "put into the shade" are a bit murky, it's clear that the imagery has been around for centuries. It draws on the natural human experience of moving from light to shadow and uses this transition to symbolize a change in status or perception. In terms of usage, you'll find this expression in various contexts, from literature and journalism to everyday conversations. It's particularly useful when discussing talents, achievements, or qualities that are overshadowed by those deemed superior. For example, the debut of the new smartphone model put all its predecessors into the shade. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. Despite her hard work, her performance was put into the shade by her coworkers' innovative project. The arrival of the new chef put all previous culinary efforts into the shade, elevating the restaurant's reputation. His modest contribution was put into the shade by the significant donations of others. These sentences showcase how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios to express the concept of being overshadowed or diminished by comparison. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, "put into the shade." It's a vivid expression that beautifully captures the essence of comparison and overshadowing. Whether you're reading a classic novel, following the latest news, or engaging in conversation, understanding phrases like this enriches your comprehension and enables you to appreciate the nuances of the English language. I hope this exploration has brought some new insights and perhaps even inspired you to bring some of your own brilliance out of the shade. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, happy language learning.